Just doing a very chill walk while I watch some YouTube videos. It's 9:03. I'll probably walk for another 5 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna get ready for bar class. Typical me, I literally have zero time management skills. It's 9:22. My class is at 9:45, and so I'm just hustling to get ready. Honestly, I look so crazy right now. I mentioned it over on my TikTok, but I have perioral dermatitis really badly right now, and I think it's from trying to do Project Pan and like just use up a bunch of shit. So I'm dealing with that. I was able to get a referral from my family doctor to go see a dermatologist, and that went through, but the clinic has to call me to make my appointment still. So hopefully I'll be able to get this all sorted out. I've struggled with acne for a really long time. It's always been hormonal, but this just added on is too much. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go to bar. I can't film in there, obviously, because it's like a group class and that's like low-key rude. But I'll talk to you after. Okay, hello. I am home now. It is 11:10. I got back into my sweatsuit and I have a pancake cooking, and then I'm gonna cook some turkey bacon. And yeah, I work at 1:15. It doesn't take me too long to get to work. Oh my god, my hair looks insane. And then when I come home from work, I have to shower and do my hair because tomorrow my headshots are at 10 a.m. and they're over town, so it's probably gonna take me like an hour, 45 minutes to drive there and find parking and like not stress myself out by being late. So yeah, I have to do that. I texted my agent this morning asking if there's like anything specific she wanted me to like look like or do for my headshots. Still waiting for her response. But yeah, gonna make breakfast. I'm so hungry. My muscles are sore. That was such a good workout. It was just a 45-minute class, so they like really power through. Yeah, it's like such a good workout. I can feel my muscles shaking on my bum just even like standing like this. Gonna make my breakfast. I'm so hungry. I think I'm also gonna make a matcha that I saw on TikTok and I thought it was such a good idea. I'm gonna do matcha over coconut water. That sounds delicious. So I'm gonna try that. But yeah, I'll circle back when I've made breakfast. I know this looks kind of crazy, but I like to do like one mega pancake and then I'll just cook my turkey bacon in there after. It's just fast. I forgot to show you, but this is what I use. It's the Kodiak Power Cakes chocolate chip, and I do 2 servings, so half cup. What is that? Oh my gosh, not gonna focus. There we go. Yeah, so I do a half cup, which is 2 servings of that, and then I do 2 slices of this turkey bacon. Go in there now. Put some cinnamon on top of there. Delish. Gonna literally eat that up so fast. Okay, this is my outfit. It's literally so basic. I actually wear like a variation of the same thing every day. Jeans, black shirt, cardigan, because it gets cold in the office. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. My shift is till 8 o'clock. So then I'll come home, make dinner, and wash my hair, do some skincare prep. I have to like shave my face because I want to make sure it looks like really crisp and clean in the photos tomorrow. And then yeah, hopefully my agent will have texted me back by then and I'll have kind of an idea of like clothing that I want to wear and pack. I put like a Olaplex mask in my hair, so Anyways, I'm gonna get going because I'm gonna be late. Bye. Oh my god, I literally look crazy. Good morning, everyone. It is like 7:20, 7:30. Shoot, running a little bit behind schedule. I'm going to deal with my hair now, and then I'm going to whip through my makeup and pack my bags. Without further ado, I'm gonna deal with this. We'll chat in a little bit. Okay, this is what I'm going in. Just jeans. I like this top for like the very girl next door like commercial look. So that's what I want to start in, and then we'll go like darker for film and TV, more moody. But yeah, I'm running a little bit behind what's new. So I need to like put my shoes on and get it going ASAP. But yeah, that's outfit. I don't know if I'll record there because I might be like too stressed out, and I don't want to like stress myself out even more. I just want to like enjoy my time, and I want that to come across on camera. But yeah, I'm gonna get going now because it's about a 20-minute drive, and then it'll be a struggle to find parking. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, I am back now, and oh my god, I went and got groceries afterwards and just unpacking them right now. I realized that my place is so messy, so I desperately need to do some cleaning. Like, it's actually really bad. So I'm just gonna like potter around. Like, are you kidding? Look at how messy that is. So bad. So probably make an iced coffee or something and just run around and clean so that tomorrow, Sunday, I can truly have like a good R&R day and raw. Ooh, that sounds good. So I'm gonna make a coffee, of course, and get to cleaning. Show me the sandwich, please.
Oh, this thing is crazy.
Oh my god, that looks insane.
This is massive.
Oh my god. Okay, take a bite.
This is their large. This is like the meat and the cheese.
That looks so good.
Orange cheese with
Delicious.
buffalo chicken.
Wait, I want to get a photo of it.
Cranberry.
Oh my god, look at the lighting, it's so crazy. Is it really good? Can I have a bite? I don't even think I can take a bite.
You can try it. Bottom bite and our top bite. Oh my goodness.
I think I got my makeup all over that. Wow, it's so good. Anyways, we're out for lunch. I bought all the ingredients for like a creamy ravioli soup for dinner. I'm gonna make that, which is why I'm not having a sandwich because I'll be way too full. The afternoon is sunny in Vancouver, which is so rare, which is why we're out doing things. And I want to get a photo in this sweatsuit because the brand, which is Harlow, or like under Boathouse in Canada, sent me a bunch of stuff, or they're sending me a bunch of stuff, so I want to take a photo, post it on Instagram. But anyways, that's what we're up to.
Who's gonna take it?
You, but we're gonna go to a better spot. We tried to take some here and it was just not.
She needs a better photographer. I can't take a photo to save my life.
I think you just need to be trained in the art of like Instagram photos. Anyways, we're gonna eat. Hello everyone. We are back home now, obviously, and I am cooking dinner. I'm making this like creamy ravioli soup that I saw, and it looks literally amazing. And then I'm also making cornbread, which is like kind of random, but I was kind of craving it. And then I'm also having this new orange cream Coke Zero. I had one last week. So good. So I bought some while I was at the grocery store. And I'm using my Halloween mug. But yeah, just cooking. I'm literally so hungry because I didn't have a sandwich, just my boyfriend had a sandwich. I'm really looking forward to eating. I'll show you when it's done because it's gonna be amazing. Oh my god, my hair looks crazy, but let's just ignore that. Good morning. It's like 11 o'clock? 11:11. Oh, cute. We just had breakfast. I had a pancake, a banana, and some turkey bacon. He had some eggs and toast. And now I have to get ready for my Taylor Swift themed spin class. We have a fire going because, again, it's pouring rain here. I'm excited to do my spin class because I haven't done a spin class in a really long time, so it might be hard, but that's okay. I picked a spin bike in the back row so I can just vibe and not like worry about going the exact tempo that everyone else is going. But I'm excited to do that because like once I do a bunch of cardio over the day, I can literally have the perfect excuse to just rot on the couch for the rest of the day and watch like YouTube videos. So I'm gonna get ready. I think I'm gonna wear my new Lululemon set that I got in the mail. We'll see. But I'm gonna crack a Celsius right now, get some energy drink flowing. We'll talk soon. Okay, I'm all rain jacketed up. I've got my Celsius. We're doing the watermelon lemon flavor, although I just brushed my teeth so it's kind of a little bit tasting. But yeah, it's actually so disgusting. I'll show you a close-up of the rings. It's so bad. But yeah, I'm gonna drive to my class now. Obviously can't film in there. You're not even allowed phones in. But I'll be sweaty and gross when I come back. So we'll talk then. Hello, it is Monday morning. I just got back from my bar class and I just ate some breakfast. I wanted to say goodbye. I'm gonna quickly wrap up this vlog. I know it was a little bit scattered, but I just kind of wanted to show you a few days of my life. I'm going to Victoria next weekend, so I think I'm gonna vlog that. But thanks so much for watching. Thank you. I just got some packages. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you next week.